What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a brand new restocking video. I am really excited for you all to see the slimes that we have. It is for today, February 9th, 2018. By the way, if you're ever wondering what times I restock in your area, thank goodness for Updated Slimers. Updated Slimers on Instagram was so nice enough to convert all the time zones, so just go ahead and look for your time zone and that's the time that I restock in your area. And let's get started, shall we? So kicking things off, we're going to go ahead and start like we always do with my bestseller, my baby, my queen, Chanel No. 2. It is a bubblegum slime scented just like Bubblicious bubblegum, super thick and glossy. First off, I just want to say that I'm so sorry that these first two clips are going to be very cringy. So Chanel No. 2 and No. 5, I'm sorry for that, but it's because I just got a new puppy and I kind of had to rearrange everything, and I'm filming in a different kind of setup for these two slimes, so it was a little weird. I was 100 feet away from my tripod. It was just very weird playing with the slime so far away, and if you hear any background breathing or anything like that, it's most definitely my puppy, which you all will meet him soon, so just a full disclaimer. And next up, we have Chanel No. 5, which completes the entire Chanel collection. So the next time that you see this baby, it will be in a bundle with the other Chanels. But this one here is really, really nice. It's a really good texture. This one is like a Snow Fizz type texture. If you've ever seen Blushing Baby Slimes, her slime, she has something that's called a Snow Fizz slime, which is kind of like a grainy slime. That's how I first heard of it from my friend Abraham from DIYs by Abraham. He posted a video on it. However, it has been made popular by Blushing Baby Slime, and she calls it a Snow Fizz, and I really like that name, so that's what I'm calling this one here. But this is Chanel No. 5. She is scented like cherry bubblegum, which smells so good, and it's just really crunchy, really nice and sizzly, and I really love it. Next up, we have a slime that I am super excited about. This one is called Cute to Me, like cute, the letter 2 and me. I don't know, I just really love it. It comes with a random cute charm, so you can get any of the charms shown there. I love this so much. It is scented like grapefruit. It even kind of looks like a grapefruit, and that was not even intentional. But it's a light-based orange glossy slime with pink beads in it, and it is scented like pink grapefruit. It smells so good, and you're going to love this. It's pretty thick as well, so, you know, if you love the thick slimes with some foam beads, just to add the texture, then this is the one for you. And the next one that we have, this one is called Confetti Love Cake. It is scented like strawberry birthday cake. This is a light cream cheese slime, so there is a little bit of cornstarch in this. However, it's not enough to be qualified as a cream cheese slime, I guess. I just wanted to kind of thicken up the slime and make it a little bit thicker, kind of like a cake would be. So it's scented really nicely, and there are red, pink, and white little confetti sprinkles in there as well. And they do settle to the bottom, so by the time you receive your package, they probably will be at the bottom. So you just go ahead and mix it in, and it looks really cute. I love it. It smells great, and it's just really fun to play with. This next one here is called White Chocolate Melt. It is scented just like a sweet white chocolate bar. It smells really, really good, and I think it's pretty true to color as well, if I do say so myself. This one is very, very thick. However, on a scale of 1 through 10, I would say this is probably an 8 on the thickness scale. However, if you want something a little bit thicker, then Chanel number 2 is the way to go. She is a 10 for sure. But this one here is still pretty thick, and it smells really good. So if you like white chocolate, if you like the scent of it, and if you just like the whole white slime aesthetic, then this is the one for you. Moving on to the next slime, we have a really cute one here. This one is called Berry Sweet because it is berry sweet. Get it? This one here is scented like mixed berries, and I think it's very nice. There are some foam beads in this. The base is glossy. There are some large purple and small purple foam beads and small pink foam beads as well, just to give it that crunchy texture, and it's just really good. Now this next one, if you are a Riverdale fan just like I am, then you're gonna love this one. This is Pop's Chocolate Milkshake. So if you know, inside of Pop's Chocolate Diner, they have the milkshakes that he has. So they usually like have strawberry, you know, chocolate, vanilla. I guess like the basic type of milkshake flavors. I don't know. But this here is a chocolate version, and each one will come with a chocolate charm. It is a cloud cream that is scented just like chocolate. It smells so good. Very sizzly as well. Let me know if I should do like a trio of Pop's milkshakes, because I would totally do that. I could do like the chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry version of this and make them all cloud creams. I think that would be super cool. So just let me know if you want it. This next one here is called Merlot. It is a very nice clay slime that is scented like black cherry Merlot. It kind of smells like the Bath and Body Works scent. It's like a version of that. It smells really good. It is one of my favorite scents at Bath and Body Works, to be exact, and I've said it in a couple of videos before, but this one's just really nice. The purple color looks a little more red in person. It's a little bit more warmer, which I love just because it makes it look a little bit more like Merlot. If you don't know what Merlot is, it is like a type of wine. It's like a red wine. line. But I wanted to make it purple just to make it a little extra fun. I think it looks super cute. It is a clay slime made with Daiso clay and with Model Magic clay. So it's very holdable, yet still very spreadable. It's just really nice. Next up is an old slime that I have not brought back in such a long time, so I'm super excited it's back. This is Crybaby Bubbly Gum. So it starts off with a cotton candy bubblegum scented base. It is actually a little bit more purple than it looks. It looks very blue on camera. However, it's more of a periwinkle kind of color. And then there are pink and blue foam beads just to kind of represent the cotton candy. I'm not too sure if I mentioned or not, but it is cotton candy bubblegum scented. I don't know why I'm like slipping on my words right now. But it's very, very nice. The base is very glossy, and this is a good one if you like textured glossy slimes. Okay, this next slime, I have seen everyone do this slime, and I don't know why it took me so long to do this, but this is Captain Crunch cereal slime. I love Captain Crunch. It is my favorite cereal ever. I love it so much, so I don't know why it took me so long to make this slime. But yeah, it's a very thick base slime, so it's not like a normal type of cereal slime, how, you know, it has like a thinner type of base. This one is very, very thick. It's almost as thick as Chanel, and it still is able to hold all those beads in it. It smells just like Captain Crunch, and I love this one. And another slime that I'm bringing back, this is Pinky Promise. I actually stocked this one in a previous Valentine's Day restock, but this one here is a really nice unscented glossy slime. The hearts used to be on top, however, they just settled to the bottom anyway, so I just put them at the bottom for you all to make it a little bit easier. But yeah, all the color that you're seeing is coming from Microshift glitter, and it's really, really pretty. I love this one so much, and it is unscented, so if you have a scent allergy or if you just don't like scents, then this is the one for you. This next one is Red Velvet Oreo. This is actually going to be the last time that you'll be able to snatch this one like a wig. This one has been in every single Valentine's Day themed restock. So this one's scented just like Red Velvet Oreos, obviously because of the name. My Oreo slimes are actually very, very popular. Like, a lot of people actually like them, and I'm really glad. So if you have any other like Oreo type of slimes that you like want me to try out, then definitely leave them in the comment section down below. For this one, it is a little bit different this week just because I actually ran out of white white foam beads. So there's only going to be red foam beads in this. However, it still looks very identical to the previous one, and it smells really good. The base is very glossy, and if you haven't seen this one before in any of my restocks, then you should definitely pick this one up. Like I said, it's going to be the last time you could ever get this one. And last but not least, I am going to be restocking on Very Cherry as well. This is a cherry pomegranate scented slime. It smells like cherry Jolly Ranchers and pomegranate juice. It smells amazing. It is a cream cheese based slime with some red foam beads in there just to add a little bit of texture. Now this video I actually pulled off of my Instagram just because I totally forgot to film this one this week, and I don't know why. So you probably have already seen this video. I'm sorry if you have, but it looks the exact same. It's really, really nice. It's scented great, and it's pretty thick. Alrighty, well that was pretty much it for this restocking video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. In the comment section down below, let me know which of the slimes were your favorite. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I love you all very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!